Asphalt is used extensively all over the world to build roads, highways, parking lots, airport runways, as well as roofing shingles. Waste asphalt cannot be disposed of in landfills, and this prohibition creates problems for both private and public sector entities. I'd like to talk to you today about the system we've been developing. With our new patented process, waste asphalt can now be converted into valuable No. 4 fuel oil, as well as clean, recycled aggregate. This is a completely green system that uses water, bacteria, and a starter solvent to produce the waste oil. In the end, you get clean asphalt, usable fuel oil, and clean water that can be recycled and used over and over again in the process. The produced fuel and water mixture is passed through the Frytech oil-water separator, which meets all North American requirements as well as far stricter European Union oily water discharge standards. So let's explain how the process works. To start, the asphalt is loaded into the reaction vessel. The reaction begins by adding starter solvent. Small amounts of kerosene or diesel fuel are sprayed to begin the process. Next, the ready-to-use bioremediation liquid product is added on top, thus beginning the process of breaking down the oil in the waste asphalt. In the field, the application of diesel, bioremediation liquid, and water is automated using spray nozzles and solenoid valves. Water is then continuously added and removed into the vessel, which helps transport the oil. The oil is moved to the Frytech oil-water separator. The oily water produced in the reaction vessel is processed through the separator. The oil is separated and skimmed in the oil-water separator, and oil free from water is released through the oil port. Water separated contains less than 5 parts per million of oil and meets the international standard, at which point the water can be recycled in a closed loop to be used again and again in the reaction vessel to continue the reaction process. The separated and skimmed fuel oil drains out of the side of the separator through the oil port and is collected in a separate storage tank. This outputs a green process by creating oil, clean asphalt, and reusable water. This system is scalable and can be fully automated using concrete tanks layered in series. Each tanking system is built as per our specifications and can be scaled up to 50 tons or more. There are multiple income streams available with this system. You have the sale of ready-to-use fuel oil, the sale of clean aggregate, and the property previously dedicated to storing waste asphalt can now be put to more productive use. The property may also appreciate in value, and you get carbon credits for this process.